Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable in-app purchases on iPhone. So if you're unable to purchase an application on your iPhone just because in-app purchases is disabled, or anyone is able to use your iPhone without your permission, then here's a video for you that allows you to turn on in-app purchases. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable in-app purchases on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to screen time. Then click on it. Now, once you selected screen time, scroll down the screen time page, locate and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now, if content and privacy restrictions is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. Then once that is on, locate and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Once you selected that, come here to store purchases and redownloads. Click on in-app purchases if this is disabled. Now you want to make sure you enable this by selecting allow. They should say in-app purchases allow. Once you've allowed in-app purchases here, then you're good to go. So that is all you need to do when you want to enable or turn on in-app purchases on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.